This is what life is saying in Beacon Hill. Stay in the pigeon loft. Just thought I'd do you an update. I haven't posted for a while. These are all the young birds. And a couple of hens. That's all this year's bred babies, what I've got left. I've lost about 50% of them. I've got nothing in here at the minute. It's all freshly clean and that. Nothing in here either, it's all freshly clean. Nothing in here either, but not freshly clean today. But up here, all the old birds. So not much going on really. No breeding this time of year. Just training them young birds. And there's our little tortoise. They make the weirdest sounds when having sex. That is so weird. Look it up.